The numeric values used in this video are based on the optimum moisture content and maximum dry density previously determined for this specific soil and mold size. The results of the lime demand test, which determines the appropriate lime content for stabilization. For in situ soils, it is essential to first conduct compaction and lime demand testing. Water should then be added based on the difference between the existing moisture content and the target OMC. We begin with 550 grams of wet soil, 14.3 grams of lime. We will also require the following equipment: a large flat pan, a mixing bowl and a spatula for mixing soil, an electronic balance, a compaction mold with a 55mm diameter and at least 112mm effective height. To prepare the sample, evenly spread the 550 grams of wet soil in a large flat mixing bowl or pan. Smear and break down large clumps, creating a uniform layer. Next, sprinkle 14.3 grams of lime evenly over the surface of the soil. Mix thoroughly using the spatula. Then, using a rigid object, such as a steel plate or flat trowel, press and drag the soil firmly across the pan. This technique improves homogeneity. Before compaction, apply lubrication such as Vaseline to the interior of the compaction mold to aid with sample extraction. Place a filter paper at the base of the mold. Fill the mold with the soil and gently tap the sides to help rearrange particles and minimize voids. After filling, place another filter paper on top of the soil. Transfer the mold to a hydraulic jack. Apply pressure until the soil is compacted to a height of 112mm and maintain at that level for at least 10 seconds. Once compaction is complete, transfer the mold to a removal jack and extract the sample carefully. Seal the compacted sample with plastic wrap to retain moisture. Place the wrapped sample into an open plastic container and then place the container into a sealed curing barrel. Inside the barrel, place a separate small container filled with water to maintain humidity. Close the barrel lid to create a non-drying, humid curing environment. Allow the sample to cure for an additional 7 days. Once the 7-day curing period is complete, measure the weight of the sample with a pre-weighed container. The sample is ready for unconfined compressive strength testing.